You've asked them 5 times to clean up their toys and nothing, not even a flinch. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. It's not that your child is stubborn or ignoring you on purpose. It's actually their brain working exactly the way it's supposed to. Yes, kids are wired differently, and the way we talk to them can either activate their listening skills or shut them down completely. In this video, I'll show you 4 surprising reasons your child might not be listening, and what you can do right now to change that. Trigger number 1, giving too many instructions at once. Did you know that kids' working memory, their brain's sticky note for remembering information, can only hold about 1 or 2 pieces of information at a time? When you say, clean your room, brush your teeth, and pack your bag, they don't hear all 3. Instead, they hear nothing. Their brain goes into overload and they freeze. In fact, research shows that children under 12 process instructions about 30% slower than adults. So while you're rattling off tasks like a to-do list, they're still stuck on step 1. The fix? Slow down and break it down. Start with 1 clear, actionable task. Put the toys in the bin. When they finish, celebrate, then move on to the next step. Small wins build big momentum. Trigger number 2, not establishing connection first. Here's a wild fact. When you yell instructions from across the room, your child's brain literally tunes you out. It's called selective attention, and it's a survival mechanism that helps them focus on what's right in front of them. Kids need connection before direction. Without it, your words are just noise in the background. The fix? Close the distance. Walk over to them, get on their level, and make eye contact. Proximity activates their brain's mirror neurons, making them more likely to engage with you. A simple touch on the shoulder or saying their name softly, "Hey, can you pause for a sec?" works wonders. You're not just giving an instruction, you're creating a moment of connection. Trigger number 3, turning instructions into questions. This one's sneaky because we don't even realize we're doing it. When you say, "Do you want to clean your room?" you're giving them a choice. And naturally, they'll choose the fun option. No. Here's why. Kids love feeling in control. So, when you make an instruction sound optional, their brain jumps at the chance to say no. The fix? Replace questions with clear, actionable directions. Instead of, "Do you want to clean your room?" try, "We're going to clean your room now." Let's start with the toys. And here's a hack to make it fun. Sprinkle in choices that don't matter. Do you want to pick up the red blocks first or the blue ones? Kids feel empowered, but you're still guiding the task. Trigger number 4, overuse of no. Here's something surprising. Research shows kids hear the word no an average of 400 times a day. That's more than 16 times an hour. Over time, kids start tuning out the word altogether. It loses its power. The fix? Swap out no for alternatives that redirect their behavior. Instead of, "No, don't run," try, "Let's use our walking feet." Or instead of, "No, don't touch that," say, "That's not safe. Let's try this instead." Redirecting with positive language keeps the focus on what they should do instead of just what they can't. And it keeps the peace for both of you. So let's recap. Break tasks into bite-sized pieces, connect before you direct, replace questions with clear directions, and use positive alternatives to no. These small tweaks can make a huge difference in how your child listens and responds. And remember, your energy sets the tone. When you approach parenting with calm confidence, your kids feel it, and they'll reflect it right back. What's the biggest challenge you face when getting your kids to listen? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if this video gave you some new ideas, hit like and subscribe for more simple, science-backed parenting tips.